Hello students, I am Sheetal Banushali from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching Mathematics of Standard 1st, Chapter number 2, Addition up to 20, Part 5. Students, in the earlier part we studied adding 10. Moving further, let us start with our new topic, that is adding to single digits, giving double digit answers. Students, here we will learn adding two single digits with the help of the tens frame. Let us understand this through an example. Add 7 and 5. Students, here 7 and 5 both are single digit numbers. Let us add these numbers with the help of symbols. Students, let us take 7 blue colored balls and 5 pink colored balls. Now you have to put these balls in the tens frame. Students, here you can put 10 balls. How many balls? 10 balls. So first you will put all the blue colored balls in the box like this. Can you see in the picture? All the blue colored balls are in the box of 10. Now students, how many balls are remaining? 5 pink colored balls. We have to put these also in the box of 10. So students, but we cannot put all the 5 balls because only the space of 3 balls were there. So these 3 balls are already there in the box now, but 2 balls are still remaining. Students, don't forget about the remaining balls. Now you have to arrange these remaining balls outside the box. Where students? Outside the box. Now in this box, how many balls are there? 10 balls. How many balls? 10 balls. And students, how many balls are outside the box? 2 balls. How many balls? 2 balls. Now 10 balls inside the box and 2 balls outside the box. So 10 plus 2. Can we add 10 plus 2? Yes. 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. It's very easy. Yes students, 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. So we can directly write here as 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. So 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. Got it students? See how easy it is when we are adding with the help of the tens frame. Yes students? So now moving further, open your textbook and let us start with the sums. So students, this 7 plus 5 we already understood, right? 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. We already got our answer. Now add with the help of the tens frame. First one is already done. Let us understand this. 6 plus 5 is the same as 10 plus dash. Now first we will put 6 blue colored balls in the box and then 5 pink colored balls. Now 1 is remaining. So 6 plus 5 is the same as 10 plus 1. So 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. Students, you will use blue color and pink pink color to make balls. Got it, students? Second, 8 plus 7 is the same as 10 plus dash. Students, take blue color in your hand, and now you have to put how many blue colored balls? 8 blue colored balls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Students, now take pink color in your hand. How many pink colored balls you are going to add? 7. How many? 7. But here we can add only 2, 1 and 2. How many are still remaining? Still 5 balls are remaining. So you will arrange 8 outside the box. So 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Got it, students? Now 8 plus 7 is the same as 10 plus dash. Now these are already 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 10 plus 5. So 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. So 8 plus 7 is also 15. Got it, students? Next, 3 plus 9 is the same as 10 plus dash. Students, so how many blue colored balls are there? 3. So take blue color in your hand, and 1, 2 and 3. Then how many pink balls are there? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 2 will be outside the box. 8 and 9. Got it, students? So 3 plus 9 is the same as 10 plus dash. So this is a box of 10. So there are 10 balls. And how many are outside the box? 1 and 2. So here we will write 2. Now students, what is 10 plus 2? 12. So 3 plus 9 is equals to 12. Got it, students? Next, 7 plus 6 is the same as 10 plus dash. So how many blue balls are there? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many pink balls are there? 6. So 1, 2, 3. Then outside the box. 4, 5, 6. Got it, students? So this is a box of 10. And how many are outside the box? 1, 2 and 3. So 7 plus 6 is the same as 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. So 7 plus 6 will be 13. Got it, students? Next, 5 plus 8 is the same as 10 plus dash. How many blue balls are there? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Got it, students? Then how many pink balls are there? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remaining outside the box. 6, 7 and 8. So students, how many balls are outside? 1, 2 and 3. So 5 plus 8 is the same as 10 plus 3 because 3 balls are outside the box. So 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. Understood students? See how easy it is? Now this last one is your homework. You will do this in your textbook. Got it students? Students, now let us learn adding three numbers. Here there are methods like look for a 10, look for doubles. Let us start with this method, look for a 10. Students, let us understand this through an example. 4, 6 and 5. Let us add 4, 6 and 5 together. Students, now as we have to add all these three numbers, we will look for a 10. The two numbers that makes 10. Students, here 4 and 6 are the numbers which make 10. Which make 10. Now students, it is quite easy to add the remaining number with 10. Yes, so 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. So students, 4 plus 6 and plus 5 is equals to 15. Is equals to 15. Got it students? What we did? We looked for 10. So we have to circle that two numbers which make 10. Got it students? Let us take one more example. 9 plus 3 plus 7. Now students, we have to look for a number which makes 10. We are looking for a 10. 9 and 3. Does 9 and 3 make a 10? No. 3 and 7. Does 3 and 7 makes 10? Yes. Do you remember our number combination students? So 3 and 7 are the numbers which makes 10. So 3 and 7 they make 10. Now can we add the remaining number with 10 easily? Yes. So 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. So 9, 3 and 7. When we add them together, what is our answer? 19. Understood students? Students, let us take one more example. 6, 7 and 4. How can we add 6, 7 and 4 together? First, we will look for a 10. Does 6 and 7 make a 10? No. Does 7 and 4 make a 10? No. Does 6 and 4 make a 10? Yes. So the numbers which make 10 are 6 and 4. So 6 and 4 makes a 10. Now, which number is remaining? 7. So we need to add 7 to 10. Now 10 plus 7 is equals to 17. Got it, students? 10 plus 7 is equals to 17. So 6 plus 7 plus 4 is equals to 17. Understood, students? Now, let us do some sums. Open your textbook. Circle the numbers that add up to 10, then add. Okay, students. Now here, 2, 6 and 8. 2 and 8 makes a 10. 2 and 8 are already circled. 10 is written here and the remaining number 6 is written here. So 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. Easy, students. So 2, 6 and 8, when we add them together, our answer is 16. Got it, students? Next, 3, 7 and 4. Students, look for a 10 first. 3 and 7 makes 10. Yes, so you need to circle 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. So we are going to write here 10. What is remaining? 4. So you will write here 4. Now 10 and 4. 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. So write here also 14. Got it, students? Next, 1, 9 and 2. Look for a 10, students. So 1 and 9 make a 10. So write here 10. What is remaining? 2. So write here 2. Now 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. So write here also 12. Got it, students? This last one is your homework. You will do this in your textbook only. You have to look for a 10 first. Got it, students? Now, one more method is there, that is look for doubles. Let us understand this through an example. 3 plus 3 and plus 5. Now students, in this method we have to look for doubles. Here 3 is repeated, so you need to circle both the 3's. What is the double of 3, students? 6. And then we have to add the remaining number, that is 5. Now you have to add 6 and 5 together. So make 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5 lines. Now you need to count these lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What is the answer? 11. So here also you will write 11. Students, you can add these by counting or circle the bigger number and then count forward. Got it, students? Let us take one more example. 6 plus 2 plus 2. Look for double. So 2, you need to circle 2. What is the double of 2? 4. And what is remaining? 6. So 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Which is the bigger number here? 6. Now count forward 4 times because we have to add 4. So what comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10. What comes after 6? 7, 8, 9 and then 10. So our answer is 10. So here also 10. Got it, students? Now let us do some sums. Circle the doubles, then add. Students, first 4, 4, 3. You have to circle the doubles, that is 4. What is the double of 4? 8. And you have to add 3 to 8. So what comes after 8? 9, 10 and 11. So what is the answer here? 11. So here also you will write 11. Got it, students? Students, you can also add by counting them together, by counting the lines. Whichever method you find easier, you can count with that method. Next, 9, 2 and 2. Circle the doubles. 2. So what is the double of 2? 4. So you need to write here 4 and the remaining number, that is 9. Now 9 plus 4. So what comes after 9? 10, 11, 12 and 13. So what is our answer here? 13. And you will write here also 13. Got it, students? Now these two, this is your homework. You will do this in your textbook only. Got it, students? Next is the action exercise. Here you have to throw 2 dice and whatever answer you get, you have to add that number and color the circles with the answer. Here you have to color it. Whatever answer you are getting, color it. You have to do this 10 times. How many times? 10 times. If the number has already been colored, take another chance. Got it, students?